Every place has a story, as does every person. Sometimes those stories are found in cities or forgotten corners, or maybe in traditions that have endured for generations. But the best stories are rarely found by rushing past. They're discovered one step at a time. They open our eyes to the beauty and mystery of everyday life. And sometimes they are found in the quiet dedication of people who create. These are the stories that are worth preserving. Many stories stay with us until they lead us to another. So join us for the next journey, wherever the road may lead, because each journey begins with curiosity, and every story is better when it's shared.